Mastering the 3CX iOS app. You can download the 3CX iOS app from the App Store. It's really easy to use and allows you to take your Office extension with you wherever you go. Once you have downloaded the app, follow the initial steps. Then, simply scan your QR code in the welcome email or 3CX web client to start calling. Set your status. Select a status from the 3CX list or set a temporary status to let your colleagues know when you are available. You can also disable push notifications to avoid getting notifications for calls and chats. Chat. You can use the 3CX chat to send messages and documents to colleagues while out of the office. Built-in quick actions will allow you to easily delete, archive and tidy up your chat conversations. Video call. The 3CX app even allows you to video call colleagues. Once you are on a call with a colleague, you will have the option to select the video icon. This will start the video call, allowing you and a colleague to speak face to face. Voicemail. Check your voice messages. Your voicemail inbox is easy to manage, just tap to play each message. Phone book. In Contacts, your colleague's company address book and your own phone book entries are combined. This removes the need to shuffle around in different apps and address books. The app also provides quick actions to send a voicemail, email or chat. Stay connected. Stay connected with the Office wherever you go and never give out your personal phone number again. The app reconnects your calls through available Wi-Fi and 4G networks, so if you're moving around when on a call, 3CX has you covered. All your 3CX calls are secured with encryption. Download the 3CX iOS app from the App Store for free today.